Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So today is the 17th of 30 days fitness challenge. I'm just waking up. The time is I think 9:35 or 9:45 or so, and I still have so many things to do today, cooking and the rest of them. So we'll be getting right into the workout immediately. So it's weekend. Remember not to overindulge, okay? Eat small. Even if you are going to one if they give you 3 puff, eat 2 and remain 1. Yeah. Now let's get right into the challenge immediately.